Good afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. Haven't uploaded in a few days. We've been behind the scenes organising a few things, and one of those things is right behind me. It's not a JDM car, but it is a beautiful car. It's actually my fiance's car, and that is a 1967 Ford Gta Mustang in a beautiful aqua blue. This is a car that we pulled apart about 12 months ago. It's been off getting bodyworks, repairs and paint. It's going to be a fun one. It's going to be a high horsepower one. It's going to be one for the V8 guys out there. Hopefully I've got a few subscribers that enjoy this stuff. If you don't enjoy this stuff, hold on, because I do have something cool at the end of the week to tell you guys. So to hold the engine in, we're using tough mounts, nothing but the best, the Pro Series. We've got the nylon bushes. We've had these painted up, ready to put on as well. So we're going to put the engine mounts in, because I'm hoping we can sit the motor in tomorrow afternoon. And we'll also put the front coilovers in so we can get wheels back on this thing. I think it's going to go pretty smoothly. So we've just put the badges and things back on tonight, and we've also fitted the tough mounts engine mount.
Seven hours later.
Welcome back, and guess what we have behind us? If you didn't know, or you were trying to guess, we finally picked up a really clean, completely stock S15. Picked this car up this morning in Brisbane. We had planned on driving it back today, but obviously we are not getting back through these flood waters. We're not going to risk it. We can't get through anyway, so we're going to leave it here. My brother's going to pick it up. My brother's got a warehouse. He can store it in for a few days or a week, or it doesn't matter. We'll just bring it up whenever. But I'm super happy with how it is. I did know the car. It was a clean car. It's a Spec S. Oz delivered JDM S15, bone stock SR20, and yeah, super clean. Got a new headlight for it already, which that one there has gone that funny colour. This one here is clear. Other than that, it's really tidy. The clear has gone in some parts, like obviously it's a black car, so the clear is the first thing to go on black cars. It actually drove really strong too. So for a bone stock SR20, it does have a boost controller on it, and it doesn't have a boost gauge, but I think it's pumping a little bit of pounds because it flies. It's got a standard exhaust, standard intake, everything literally bone stock, but it, like, you know, you could quite happily first, second, and it would snatch and light them up. So to me, for a 4-cylinder SR20, normally they don't go that well. It went really well. probably the best thing about the car is the interior. It is literally immaculate and super clean seats. It's all standard. None of the air vents are broke. It's all clean dash, literally like a brand new dash. There's a small crack in a panel down here, which is that surround. I'll order a new surround for it. Instrument cluster, low Ks, just over 100,000 Ks. And yeah, super clean interior. Right now, here's a little video of what it looks like, and we're gonna get back on a plane, get home, and get back onto this Mustang.
We encourage you to check the relevant government websites for requirements at your destination. Thank you.
Okay, after our quick trip down south to check out the car, which you guys probably know about now actually, so I can talk about it, the S15, which I'm super pumped on. In the meantime, we need to get the Mustang back together and get that on the road. It'd be really good to get this thing back on the road. So we've started off by doing the Le Mans lower control arm and the RRS Coilover. It's been pretty simple so far. Nice billet bracket on top, all stainless steel. It's going to make the car ride like it should do, and not a bucket of bolts. Literally, this thing did not drive nice back on its original suspension. That's why we're converting it to a coilover front end. Got all the parts laid out here ready to go for the right hand side, or it's actually the left hand side, driver's side, being American. But yeah, we've got it all laid out here to go, so we should be able to get this side done pretty quickly. So we've finished installing the RRS front end now. Coilovers are in, new holes have been drilled around the top. There's a new billet sort of cap on the top. There's also this, I guess it's like a torsional bearing setup. Your front torsion bars are in. We have the drill holes here. So 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, to slide that in. So that is not a non-lethane bush anymore. It's actually a metal bearing. So you're going to get really good feedback through the steering. It's also got RRS Le Mans arms, and then new hubs, RRS hubs. So we're about to slip the brakes on, which is pretty awesome, and then we can actually get the wheels on it. So the whole front end is sort of coming together really quick. I did plan this, so I did actually go through everything and make sure I had everything over the last couple of months, so it's been quite smooth so far. RRS, I think they're like the set stage 2 or stage 3 brakes that you can get. I guess are Australian made, and you can sort of tell by the lack of aesthetic looks. They're not the most prettiest things in the world by no means, but I guess they work. So we'll slip these on, and we've actually got a set of Convo Pros for this car, so we'll go get them shortly and put the wheels on it to see what it looks like. Okay, so that's pretty much the whole front end done. I've still got a lot to do with brake lines and things like that. I haven't started any brake lines. I've got to run stainless steel hard lines throughout the whole car. Since I stripped it completely, there's nothing left in it at all. So no flexible lines, no hard lines. But with this car, when we got it painted, this is the original color, which is like an aqua teal blue. It's beautiful. It actually looks so much better fresh than, because I'm used to the faded version of it. I brought a brand new set of black Combo Pros. Combo Pros look good on any muscle car. Well, that's my experience. With the black though, I wasn't sure how it was going to look with the aqua teal, but I'm so stoked with it. It looks insane. I'm also super happy with the coilover kit. It tucks nicely. That's we're not even as low as we can go. We can go lower. The brakes was a little bit on the I don't know, I guess they're really good quality. Everything bolts up fine, but they are pretty ugly. Mind you, they suit this style of build. Okay guys, so we're going to end this video here. It has been an awesome few days. So from working on the old Mustang to going down and picking up our new project car. Don't forget to let me know what you think of the new project car. I'm super excited about it. Spec S, S15 is a dream car of mine. I can't wait to get stuck into it. It's going to be heaps of fun. Turbo's excited as well. So yeah guys, let us know what you think of the Mustang. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more. If not, you don't.
Get that out of my face. Go on, get it out.